Hello guys, this is BK from BK Photography, and yesterday's fashion program was very amazing. We had a lot of fun. It was quite stressful because, you know, for me this was my second time shooting this, and you know, in photography it always tense whenever you are meeting new people and huge crowds. So even though it was fun, in my aspect I had to do a lot of work. We had about like 20 to 30 models on the runway, and we had to get a close shot portrait within that short possible time. And that moment, we have to capture every moment at every possible time. And it was very good. It was very good because we trained us, me and my team, KhoPhi Photography behind the camera now, and we enjoyed it. And next year is even going to be bigger. So stay close, don't go anywhere.